Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey, and today I am going with my mom to go get some stuff that I'm gonna need for show season. It's a very small trip. I don't need a lot, but I just figured I would film and keep you guys updated because I'm out of video ideas, so I guess I just thought that this is an excuse to make a video. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Equus Now to get some stuff. Really all I need is a new show jacket and then a new show shirt for underneath, and then I'm gonna upgrade my paddock boots and half straps and get some tall boots, and it's gonna be my first time having tall boots. I don't know, thinking about tall boots, I feel like they would be uncomfortable, but I've never tried them, so I guess I can't say. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys like tall boots or do you like half straps and paddock boots? I really don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get some tall boots if they have some, and then if I convince my mom, maybe I'll get a new pair of breeches. But I already have a few pairs. I haven't had good luck finding breeches lately, so I might not. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like this video, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because there will be a lot of fun videos coming this summer during show season, and we have a lot of fun planned. And if you guys want, I can do a video updating you guys on basically what is gonna happen this summer. Comment down below if you want to see a video like that, and I will work on that so then you guys know what to expect and all that. I am hot. I'm in this jacket. It is hot out here. This is the first day we've had that I'm able to wear short sleeves and shorts. I don't know why I have a jacket on. I don't know. But it's really nice out right now. It's like 70 degrees. But yeah, we're just about to leave. So let's go. So it's about an hour drive from my house. One of my favorite things to do in the car while driving is listening to music, so I made sure I had some of my favorite songs playing. I had a really nice talk with my mom on the way there though. I have 4 siblings, so I always enjoy any one-on-one time I get with my parents. And I don't know, it was just really nice to spend some one-on-one time with her. It was a really nice day out too. We got caught in traffic a few times, so it wasn't very nice, but the trip felt like it was just taking a very long time. And I was just super excited to just get out of the car and get some new stuff for show season. I have been looking forward to show season for a very long time, especially recently since Zelda and I have been making a lot of more progress. I don't know, I was really excited to get new stuff. I'm like more excited for show season now than I have ever been. But we finally made it, and I was really excited to get out and stretch my legs a little bit. I hate riding in the car. I get car sick really easily, so it's not always fun on long trips. I found so many pairs of cute breeches. I literally wanted them all, but I had a price limit. And these saddle pads were so cute. It's so hard riding a horse that looks good in almost any color. It just makes me want all the saddle pads. But I knew if I even showed Mom a saddle pad, she would flip out. And oh my gosh, I found all these cute tops. I wanted them all. I was doing more browsing and looking at stuff I knew I wasn't really gonna get than I was like looking for the stuff I actually need to get. But then finally, I started trying on some show jackets, and I only got a few pairs that I tried on tons. But eventually I decided I would just go into a changing room and just try on the jacket with the show shirt. And yeah, I don't know what I was doing here. I was just really bored. But there's a show shirt that I ended up getting actually. It was super cute and fit really nicely. And I just wanted to basically see how it all fit with the show jacket and stuff. And I think this is the show jacket I ended up getting. I'm not sure. My hair was a disaster. Oh my gosh, it was driving me crazy. It was getting all staticky because of putting on all these shirts and stuff. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited for show season. I love dressing like this. It is just amazing. But yeah, it was super cute, fit really nicely, and I'm super excited. It was a really fast, successful trip. I was actually really shocked. But I was just excited to go home and show my family all the stuff that I got. Okay, we just got back. It took about 3.5 hours. The closest Equus Now to us is around an hour away. So, and on the way back we got caught in traffic, but it was a very successful trip. I got everything I was looking for, and I'm super happy and super excited for show season now. I cannot wait. Fortunately, I didn't get any saddle pads or any breeches, but I wasn't really expecting to. I know, I really don't need any of that. It's, my birthday's coming up. I will probably get a pair of breeches or something like that. I don't know. I'm usually one of those people who I don't really know what to ask for. So usually everyone just gives me the same thing, and it's usually breeches. But I'm totally okay with that. Okay, well anyway, it was a very successful trip. I got all 3 things I was looking for. And yeah, so I guess I'll put it all on for you guys later. I'll just show you guys first. So first I got a show shirt, an Ovation show shirt. I already have a show shirt, but the one I have is long sleeved, and it's really hot on show days. So I just figured short sleeves would be better, and it's very nice. It's got like, I won't get hot in this at all, and then it's got like a blue horseshoe, which no one ever sees, but still cute. Yeah, so I got that, and that was one of the only ones that fit me. I tried on a lot. And then okay, look, I guess we got a free sample of a horse treat, which I didn't even know about. So hey, that's pretty cool. I did not even know that they put that in there. How cool. And we got another one. Look, even I'm surprised. That's interesting. Wait, what? We got another one. What? I'm very confused. I'm gonna have to talk to Mom. We didn't buy that, did we? Give me a second. Okay, and then my show jacket. Let me button it up so it'll be easier to see. It's not buttoned right now. I tried on probably around 6 show jackets, but the one I found, this one was really the best one. I don't remember if this is one that you guys saw earlier. I don't remember. I tried on quite a few, but I didn't get a lot of them on camera because we had an employee helping us, and I thought that was weird if I would take out my camera and take pictures. But it's an RJ Classics brand, and that's a brand I really like. It's black, looks really showy, and yeah, so I finally get my own jacket. Last year I shared with my sister, and last year I also had the RJ Classics brand, except it was navy blue, and I'm very picky about my show jackets, but this one looked amazing and it felt amazing, so I got this one. Yeah, so that is the show jacket, and I will try it all on for you guys to see. I'll even put my show breeches on, even though I didn't get them today, but just so you guys get the full show look. And then my favorite thing I got today, obviously my tall boots. This is my first pair of tall boots, and I've got to say I'm a little weirded out about them. I really like them, of course, but like they're a lot different than half chaps. A lot different than half chaps. So yeah, so I will pull them out for you. Here they are. They're super nice, and definitely I have to wear them around the house for a while to break them in, but I really like them. I tried on like 3 different pairs of boots because my feet are very oddly shaped, and my calf is very weird too. But this is a size 8. I'm shocked it actually fit, but yeah, so it's really nice. I'll try them all on for you right now. For my hair is a disaster. But this is the show jacket I had today, or I got today. It's very like nice and breathable. Obviously it's, I don't know. So I think I really like it. I'm glad I got it. It's got like this airy part right here, and I really like that. I don't know what to call it, like mesh almost. I don't know, but I really like that because I get super hot in this show season, especially because you're basically standing around all day. You can't button this, but yeah, I'm glad that it's got a little bit of mesh. Sorry, I have to see. I'm going to get this on. Oh, I'm sweating already. And this is my first year having an actual black show jacket. Usually, the past few years, I've had navy blue. Look how fancy, oh my gosh. I love show season for this reason. Like that. Oh, is that your tag? I could probably take that off. I don't think it has to be there. Yeah, it's just an RJ Classics tag. Okay. Well, there's my show jacket. It's super nice. Really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my boots on so you guys can see that too. Okay, here is my tall boots. They're super nice. I like them a lot. Yeah. Outfit. Ooh, that's hard to do. And I got my boots on. Yeah. So I'm really excited for show season. I look super showy. Oh, I can't do that. Super excited, and I absolutely love the boots and the jacket. I think it's super cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for some awesome videos coming this summer. We have so much planned. It is super exciting, and I am so excited, especially for show season. I absolutely love my outfit I got. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos and like this video, and make sure you guys are subscribed if not already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!